Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello everyone, here we are at week 6. I am very excited this time. This week is lots of fun. You have been doing a great job. Learning English is like walking up the stairs. It is, but what do I mean? Take one step at a time. And if you do that, you will walk up and up and up, and your English will get better and better and better. Here's a great question. What is this week's step? We know who they are. We have been talking about family. Oh, what? That is not my family. Does it look like your family? No, it certainly does not. Who are they? This week, we are going to talk to aliens. What? Look at this word. It's quite long, so let's say it a few times. Are you ready? Definitions. You try and say it with me. Definitions. Definitions. One more. Definitions. It's a great word, but what does that mean? A definition is how we explain what a word means. Aha, look at that. We know what it is. Do you know what an octopus is? Yes. There we are. Well, we think it's easy because we do know what an octopus is. I know what an octopus is. You know what an octopus is. But how do you tell an alien what an octopus is? Let's see. What can we say? It is an animal. That's no good. It is an animal with 8 legs. That's no good either. It is an animal with 8 legs that lives in the sea. That is great. A good definition tells us what something is. How are we going to use definitions? Well, We are going to tell the alien who is in our family. The alien doesn't know what the words mean. We've got to help him. This week will be lots of fun. Oh, hello guys. Well, when we see these two, we know it's time to say goodbye. Thank you again. See you next time for lots of funny aliens. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.